Students, now let's start exercise 1B. Question number 1, answer true or false. Subtraction is commutative for rational numbers. What is commutative property? First of all, you need to know. If A upon B is a rational number and we subtract C upon D, another rational number, it will be equal to C upon D minus A upon B. This is commutative property. But in subtraction, this does not exist. Okay? So this will be false. To subtract C upon D from A upon B, we add the additive inverse of A upon B to C upon D. They said to subtract C upon D from A upon B, A upon D में से C upon D को subtract करने के लिए what do? We add the additive inverse of A upon B. A upon B का additive inverse क्या होगा? Minus A upon B को add करते हैं to C upon B. No, this is not true. Why? Because here A upon B is negative and here A upon B is positive. Here C upon D is negative and here C upon D is positive. So this is not true. Okay. So this is also false. Next, 0 is its own additive inverse. Yes. 0 का additive inverse क्या होगा? What is additive inverse? We just change the sign, positive to negative or negative to positive. Okay. And which is equals to 0. So we can say that 0 is the additive inverse of its own. True. The additive inverse of minus 21 upon minus 30 is minus 21 upon 30. Let's check. This is the number they have given. If minus sign is numerator and denominator both, then we can say that this is positive rational number because minus sign will be cancelled out. 21 upon 30 and additive inverse of 21 upon 30 will be is minus 21 upon 30. And this is the same which they have given in the question, so this is true. Next, while subtraction 3 or more rational numbers, they can be grouped in any order. No, they cannot group in any order. Okay, subtraction में grouping possible नहीं है in any order. In addition, it is possible, so this is false. Next, add the following rational numbers. You want to add these two rational numbers, 3 upon 7 plus 2 upon 7. Denominator of both the rational numbers are same, so you will write the denominator once and add the numerator 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5 upon 7. So this is your answer. Next, add minus 1 upon 6 plus 3 upon 10. Now the denominators are different, and to add rational number you need to make these denominator equal. How will you make it? By taking LCM. Take the LCM of these denominators, 6 and 10. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 3 1s are 3, 5 as it is, 5 1s are 5. So the LCM is 2 multiply 3 multiply 5, 30. So write the denominator 30. Now to make this 630, with which number you need to multiply? 6 5s are 30. So multiply this numerator by 5. Okay. Minus 1 multiply 5. Plus, check it. To make this 30, with which number we need to multiply? 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30. So multiplied by 3. 3 multiply 3. Now calculate it. 5 1s are 5 of minus sign plus 3 3s are 9 upon 30. Now sign of both the numbers are different, so the value will be subtracted. 9 minus 5 is 4 upon 30. Now both the numerator and denominator are divisible by same number 2. So you can cut them. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So what is your answer now? Your answer is 2 upon 15. Next, sixth part, add them. 13 upon 14 plus, student, before adding, firstly write the rational into the standard form. What is standard form? Standard form means माइनस साइन शुड नॉट बी इन डिनोमिनेटर. अगर डिनोमिनेटर में है तो आप क्या लिख सकते हैं, इसको मल्टीप्लाइड बाय माइनस वन. दिस विल बी 9 is a 9 of minus sign and 7 is a 7 of plus minus plus. So you can write 9 upon minus 7 is equal to minus 9 upon 7. So write it minus 9 upon 7. Open this bracket. 13 upon 14 plus minus 9 upon 7. Now denominators are different, so make them equal by taking LCM. 14 and 7. 2 7s are 14, 7 as it is. 7 wins are 7, 7 wins are 7. So the LCM is 14. Write the LCM once, 14. To make this 14, you don't need to multiply with any number because this is already 14. So write 13 as it is. Minus, to make this 14 you need to multiply it by 2. 7 2s are 14, so multiply this 9 by 2. Okay, now this is 13 minus 9 2s are 18 upon 14. Sign of both the numbers are different. This is of plus sign and this is of minus sign, so values will be subtracted. 18 minus 13 is 5. And sign will be of greater numeral, which is minus upon 14. So your answer is minus 5 upon 14. Next, they have given in mixed. So firstly you will write it as a rational number, proper rational number. 7 2s are 14 plus 5, 19 upon 7, and you want to add it with minus 3 upon minus 14. Minus cancel out, so we can write it as 3 upon 14. Okay, because this is equal to 3 upon 14. Okay, now denominators are different. To make them equal, you need to take the LCM of these denominators. 7 14, 2 7s are 14, 7 1s are 7. So LCM is 2 multiply 7, which is 14. Write the denominator once, 14. To make this 7 14, you need to multiply it by 2. So multiply this 19 by 2. 19 2s are 38 plus 14 1s are 14. So multiply it by 1. 3 1s are 3. Sign of both the numbers are same. So add them. 38 plus 3 is 41 upon 14. You can also write it into the mixed form. So divide 41 by 14. 14 2s are 28. Subtract them. This is 3. 11 minus 8 is 3. And 3 minus 2 is 1. So you can write it as 2 whole 13 upon 14. This is your answer. So students, today we have just completed question number 1 and 2 of exercise 1B. In next class, we will continue this exercise, but you need more practice in these questions. Okay, so practice as much as possible, and if you face any problem in any part of these questions, you can contact me personally. Thank you. Have a nice day.